How to fix if won't send text messages on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset network settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset and reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.